So, hi guys, time for another video. This was talked about in Reddit. Someone had claimed that if you want to use the vanilla meshes for making new items, you have to unpack the Skyrim BSA files, which is completely untrue. Here you can see my Skyrim folder. I've only got meshes which consists of some modest resources. Pretty much everything else is vanilla, except I can't use the game without Skyway. So to demonstrate, I'm gonna use a few different kinds of game objects to make new statics. That static means you can't interact with it, and anyway you can't move it, you can't toss it across the room if you run into it, stuff like that. First, let's make items into statics. For example, soul gem. All you pretty much need is the model path. It's existent in every kind of editor window for all these objects. It's there in some form where it says model. All you need to do is select this file path, Ctrl C, go to for statics and select new, give it a name, and here you can, this is again creating new static window. You get the model again and model file name. This is where you set the path. Now I know it wants you to select it from the folders, like don't worry that you can't see it here. All you need to do is paste the file path here and it will find it on the BSA. Open, and there you have it. You picked it up from the BSA. Nothing needs to be unpacked. I hate those fire meshes, they are so huge and then they get in the way all the time. There you go. It's just fine. How about you have a static already in the room and you want to change it to something else. Let's say we want to turn this table into a chair. We go to furniture objects, filter with chair, type it right, and again we want the edit window for furniture. Here's the model file path, copy paste, and now we double click this. This is a reference editing window, which is just this one object here that is in the render window. If you go to edit base, you will go to the editing window for all common table 02s in the game. So if you edit this, you will end up changing every single normal table in the game, all over every cell. So we don't want to do that. We want to create a new object. And again, here's the model file path. Now we want to change it because we're changing an existing one, creating a duplicate of it. Ctrl V, put that in place, and there you go. It pulled it again from the BSA without me having to unpack it. Unpacking is only for if you have new objects you want to add, like modest resources. I have a chair already. It's chair 2. Yes, so we want to create a new form, and there you have it. You changed the table into a chair. And now this chair can't be interacted with. So the player wants to sit in it, he can't. He can climb on it, but he can't use it for furniture. What else? You can turn books into statics, but you don't have to because there's already some books in the static list, so you can probably find them here. These are static books you can use. But if you want to, let's say, well, there is static models for all the Daedric books as well, so you don't really need to do that. Werewolf totems, they are cool for cluttering. Copy paste, create new, elite totem, paste it, werewolf skull is there. There you go. There's absolutely no need to unpack the BSA unless you want to edit the vanilla items. Misc items, weapons, well, weapons already have static models because of the first person models. Ammo, you can change arrows. if you want to make a static vine, you can take this file path here from the... Instead of always going into the static window, I can just copy these, duplicate these items here and make new ones. There you go, a vine. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.